Let's do it again. Let's do it again and let's do it again. Good day, Kabarangay. Welcome to Voxophia. And today, I would like to share with you about time management. Dahil nga, the most important commodity in this world, hindi yung stocks, hindi yung gold, hindi yung diamond, kundi yung oras. So here we go. The better way to manage time, and by the way, be aware that meron tatlong uri ng oras. Nakaraan, ngayon, at bukas. And how to manage it, time management tayo, yun ang magdadagdag ng kalakasan sa iyong pananampalataya, kalakasan sa iyong paninindigan. Okay, here we go. Ang nakaraan, better to manage it by let it go. Hindi mo na yon mababago pa. So, give it up. Nakaraan na yon. Bye-bye. Ganun lang yon. Then, move on. Then, second is ngayon. Yun ang the best oras. The best time. The only time that we can appreciate, we can be grateful is the now. Today. Today matters everything. Matters in everything. Today. To be here and now is the best. And pangatlo is yung kinabukasan. Well, ang kinabukasan ay maring darating, maring hindi. Kaya wag maging wag maging atat sa kinabukasan. Ang kinabukasan ay pinaghahandaan lang. And you get yung paghahanda, usually we get lesson from the past. Ang mga nakaraan ay pinagkukunan ng aral lamang. Hindi ka nagpapabilanggo sa mga nakaraan. And so, sa mga stroke warrior ko, the sooner that you accepted, you have accepted our situation na stroke na nga tayo, mayroong limitations. The sooner to accept that, the sooner to embrace that reality, the better. And usually, dalawa ang major cause ng stroke. Una ay ang masamang bisyo. Masamang bisyo katulad ng mga hindi balance hindi healthy yung pagkain. Pangalawa ay ang kulang sa pahinga, kulang sa tulog. Another pangatlong bisyo ay bisyo ng alak, bisyo ng sigarilyo, at ang bisyo na tamad mag-exercise. Yun ang unang bisyo na major cause ng stroke. At ang ikalawang uri naman ng bisyo ay masamang ugali. Yeah. As I was told by many physicians and physicians that I trusted, whose words I trusted, yun ang lesson that I learned. So, yun lang po mga kapatid. Bye-bye.